Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming flow direction and prepping parts. This saves backtracking. Cut the hose cleanly and slide clamps on before fitting. Insert the check valve so its arrow points away from the pump because it prevents backflow when the motor stops. Once done, push the hose fully onto the barbed fitting and secure clamps tight. A loose fit leaks and defeats the valve. Make sure the clamp compresses the hose without cutting it. Now focus on sealing and verifying operation. Turn the pump on and watch the valve while gradually tightening clamps. This balances grip versus damage. Apply soap water around connections and watch for bubbles. Bubbles mean reposition or red-iton. Also watch the valve when you stop the pump. If it collapses closed quickly, it's functioning. If flow is reduced unexpectedly, inspect for internal debris or incorrect valve orientation, because these are common causes of restricted output. Complete the setup by securing any loose wiring and retesting at working pressure. Make sure fittings remain aligned because misalignment stresses the hose and causes future leaks. If you detect reverse flow or weak output, shut down, depressurize, then remove and inspect the valve. Debris or a split diaphragm often causes failure. One quick troubleshooting tip: if the valve leaks but looks intact, swap it temporarily with a new valve to confirm whether the valve or the hose fitting is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.